In the dynamic world of international trade, experience matters. Jahid Hussain, a veteran in the export business with over 2 decades of expertise. He has been navigating the intricacies of the export business for more than 20 years. Now he is introducing an exclusive mentorship program designed especially for those of you aspiring to venture into the world of exports. Our mentorship program is not just a guide, it's a hands-on experience. You'll have the opportunity to embark on factory visits, witnessing firsthand the production processes that create world-class products right here in Bangladesh. We will teach you the art of effective buyer communication, from drafting compelling emails to mastering the nuances of video calls. Connecting with potential buyers worldwide will become second nature to you. But it's not just about knowledge, it's about community. Join our mentorship program and you'll become part of a supportive network of like-minded individuals sharing experience and insights, fostering growth together. So, if you're ready to turn your export dreams into reality, join this transformative journey. Let's explore markets, connect with buyers, and elevate your export business to unprecedented heights.